The Christmas tree may steal the spotlight, but the base deserves love too. A beautiful tree skirt completes your decor, hiding the stand while adding texture, color, and charm. Whether you prefer cozy knits, rustic burlap, or shimmering velvet, the perfect skirt ties your entire tree together. Let's explore creative Christmas tree skirt ideas that elevate your holiday style. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What materials work best for tree skirts? Velvet adds luxury, burlap brings rustic charm, and faux fur creates cozy warmth. Choose a texture that complements your overall Christmas theme. Material picked? Like this if your skirt feels soft and stylish. What's a minimalist option? Choose solid colors or natural fibers with clean lines. Simple, neutral skirts create elegance without overpowering your Christmas decor. Minimal magic? Like this if your base feels calm and balanced. What about a glamorous style? Opt for sequins, satin, or metallic finishes. Add rhinestones or glitter trims for a tree base that sparkles under twinkling holiday lights. Glam achieved? Like this if your skirt shines with elegance. How do I pair the skirt with tree collars? Combine a fabric skirt inside a metal or wicker collar for depth and texture. The layered look feels modern while keeping your tree stand hidden. Layers perfect? Like this if your combo feels chic and complete. How do I keep the skirt looking fresh? Fluff it after placing gifts and vacuum occasionally to remove pine needles. Fold neatly for storage so it stays beautiful for next season. Care complete? Like this if your skirt stays flawless all season. How do I create a rustic look? Use burlap, plaid fabric, or knitted textures. Add twine, wooden buttons, or pine cone accents for a woodland feel that's warm and inviting. Rustic vibe? Like this if your base feels cozy and natural. How do I choose the right size tree skirt? Measure your tree's width and choose a skirt that's wider by at least 6 to 12 inches. A larger skirt frames gifts beautifully and gives your setup balance. Size sorted? Like this if your skirt fits perfectly around your tree. How can I make the skirt stand out? Use contrast. Pair light skirts with dark trees or vice versa. Add fairy lights or garlands around the edge for subtle, glowing definition. Contrast achieved? Like this if your base glows with charm. How do I add personalization? Embroider family names, initials, or festive messages. Custom details make your skirt a keepsake that grows more meaningful each year. Personal touch? Like this if your skirt tells your family's story. Can I try non-traditional designs? Definitely. Use layered rugs, woven baskets, or circular trays. Unique bases give your setup personality beyond classic fabric skirts. Style bold? Like this if your tree base feels fresh and creative. Can I use color to enhance my tree? Absolutely. Match your skirt to your color scheme. Red and green pop with tradition, while silver, gold, or cream bring a refined, elegant touch. Color matched? Like this if your base blends perfectly with your tree. Can I make a DIY tree skirt? Yes. Use old blankets, fabric remnants, or tablecloths. Sew or glue trims for a polished finish, or leave edges raw for a casual handmade look. DIY done? Like this if your creativity shines beneath your tree. A tree skirt is the finishing touch that completes your Christmas masterpiece. From rustic textures to glamorous sparkle, it ties your theme together beautifully. Choose one that reflects your style and enjoy the magic beneath the tree all season long. Inspired by these skirt ideas? Like and return for more festive decorating inspiration.